Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Doug Moog Arena, the home of your St. Paul Packers. Tonight's non-conference matchup features the Scots from St. Paul Highland Park Central and your Packers from South St. Paul. And now for your starting lineups. First for the Scots from St. Paul Central and St. Paul Highland Park. In the net, number 30, Emery Back. On defense, number 54, Isaac Johnson. On the other D, number 16, Gavin Olsen. On the wing, we have number 41, Leo Kirsch.
There he is.
On the other wing, number 6, Mustafa Amadai. Skating center, number 4, Tommy Rust. And the rest of the Central Highland Park team. Central Highland Park is Orion. He's assisted by Chad Samuelson and Jim Funk.
We just need to get it in, yeah, wherever you want to do it.
And now for your home team, the South St. Paul Packers.
Looks like he wants to set up, which is fine, we can go down there. Hi folks, we'll be with you in just a minute here. We're just getting our tripod set up.
On the wing, number 9, Roddick Simon. On the other wing, number 21, Brody Nurka. And skating center, number 92, Jackson Horning. And the rest of the South St. Paul Packers. South St. Paul is coached by Zach Buckquist. He's assisted by Hunter Warner, Robert Fielder, and Corey McCann. Ladies and gentlemen, we please ask you to rise, face the flag at center ice. We will honor America with our national anthem.
All right, folks, you're just about ready to get started here.
Officials first tonight's game, the referees are Joe Papacasa and Josh Cook. The linesman is Billy Hanza. Today's match is being played under the official rules of the Minnesota State High School League. We ask that all fans abide by the rules of the game. Honor the referee's decision and cheer on all the participating athletes. Thank you for your sportsmanship.
All right, welcome, folks, to tonight's matchup between South St. Paul Packers and your Highland Park Central Scots. We've got Emery Batts starting in net tonight, and your starting lineup for the Scots: Tommy Russ centering, Mustafa Ahmadad, Leo Kirsch, and defensive pairing Isaac Johnson and Gavin Olsen. All right, puck drop. Scots win the face-off. They dump it in quick. We're going to immediately get an icing call here. I don't think that was intentional. It's all right. Scots are going to end up in their defensive zone for a face-off here. Packers come out with control of the puck. Shot is saved. Puck ends up in the corner. Packers able to snatch control. They're working behind the net. They push it in the slot. Shot is blocked by Tommy Rust. Scott's working to break out. Pushed up to Johnson. Johnson's going to take it in the zone. Pushes it over to Kirsch. Oh, Kirsch couldn't get a stick on it. Packers gain control. And they're able to take it out of the zone. Tommy Rust picks it up. Pushes it back to Johnson. Had to make a quick play. There was a South St. Paul player right on him. Shot saved. Johnson able to push the puck into the zone. Scott's not able to gain possession. We're going to get an icing call here on South St. Paul. Got a new grouping out here. Max Carvinen, Sean McMullen, Finn Warner, Will Bittens, and Charlie Rust. Nice zone protection by Carvinen. Packers were able to regain it, control of it, and they're able to move it into the slot. The shot is blocked by Bittens. Charlie Rust picks it up. He goes in for the steal. He's going to go in for the rush. He does a dump and chase, and both teams trying to battle for control. And the puck gets thrown out of play. Next forward grouping out here is Jack Bradford, Ship, and Tilson. Johnson picks up the puck off the play. He dumps it in. Tilson grabs it, throws it in the slot. Nobody home. Ship battling on the boards at neutral ice. We're going to get a puck out of play here. Johnson picks it up in the slot. He's going to carry it up. He pushes it to Ship. Tilson grabs it and steals it in the neutral ice and dumps it in. They're going to get a line change. Johnson with nice defense pushes the puck back in the corner. Packers are forced to stay to the outside. Good pressure by Ahmadad. He's able to get it out of the zone. Puck ends up in Johnson's hands. He's going to carry it in, take that shot. It is saved. He's going to pick it up again. He loses it. ends up in neutral ice. Good work by Gavin Olson pushing it into the zone. Scots have a little miscommunication in the slot. Rust tries to put it towards the net. Leo Kirsch has it. He gives it to Karvinen. Karvinen pushes it in front of the net to Amadad, but just couldn't get enough mustard on it to get to the net. Karvinen putting pressure on, going for the rush. Charlie Rust with a nice poke check. Bittens with great puck protection there. Kept the puck out of the slot. We regain control. Charlie Rust carries it in. The shot is blocked by South St. Paul. Oh, shot hit the pipe. Finn Warner with the steal. Scott's forced to do a breakout here. Packers pick it up. They push up the point. Tilson with the block. South St. Paul having success with holding the zone here. Gavin Olson able to move it out. This line's going to get a change up. Puck ends up in our offensive zone. We're going to go on the chase. Okay. Johnson pushes the puck out of the zone. We don't have anyone there to put pressure on. Nice pass by Johnson up to Kirsch. Kirsch carries it in the zone. Tries to push it through some feet. Rust picks it up. Attempt to put it on net, just shy. Oh, nice shot by Johnson. And oh, Moose just could not get his stick on that puck. That was hanging free in front of the net there. Kirsch passes from behind to Johnson. Johnson's shot is saved, and there it goes. Mustafa Amadad gets the rebound. Johnson with the shot, so he's going to get the assist on that goal, and Mustafa found that rebound shot and found the back of the net. Good job, Scots. 9 minutes, 40 seconds to go in the first. South St. Paul wins the draw.
Number 6, Mustafa Amadad. Assist by number 41, Leo Kirsch. And number 54, Isaac Johnson.
Looks like Leo Kirsch got an assist on that as well.
And Johnson at 7:19.
Nice shot by South St. Paul. Is saved by Bat. Russ picks it up. He carries it in the zone. Shot just shy, a little high. Puck gets pushed back to Karvinen. Karvinen to Warner. Warner couldn't keep his stick on it. Possession turns over. One-on-one here. Nice pressure by McMullen. He stops the progression. Russ is going to carry it in. He is able to sneak past the defense, but oh. Scots are doing a regroup breakout here, and Kirsch pushes it in the zone. Johnson, oh, nice attempt to pass to Amadad. Amadad couldn't quite get a shot off. He pushes it in the slot. Johnson over to Olsen. Olsen takes a shot, and it is deflected and ends up in the netting. Scots make the get the win on the face-off. Puck turns over. Johnson picks it up and takes a shot just wide of the net. Amadad just wide of the net. Scots are going to have to regroup here and get a zone reentry. Johnson picks it up behind the net. Looks like he's got a little bit of space here. He's going to carry it up. He's looking for someone in front of it. There it is right there. Oh, Bradford. Nice work by Johnson to enter the zone. Bradford right there. Nice chances for the Scots here tonight so far. 7 minutes to go in the first. Bradford at the dot. The Packers take control of the puck. They're going to go on the rush. Nice progression stoppage by McMullen. Ship battle in the corner. He takes control. Pass up to Tilson. He's going to get an offside. Oh, well, they didn't give it to him. That was offsides. Ship up to McMullen. McMullen pushes back in the corner. He didn't quite have time to make that shot. Bradford looking for space. Oh. South St. Paul takes over control. They pushed it in the slot. There was nobody home for that. Scott's working on a breakout here. Trying to push it out of the zone. Rust carries it up. He's going to do a dump and chase. Olson gives it to Johnson. That forward line is going to get a change. Johnson able to hold this, gain the zone. Bat tried to freeze that puck. It just slipped away from him. No harm done. Mustafa to oh, shoot. Johnson couldn't keep his hands on that puck. We're going to re-enter here. Oh, looks like South St. Paul's going to get an offsides call. All right, that's the end of our first period, folks. Score is 2-0 in favor of the Scots. Shots on goal, 7 Scots, 4 South St. Paul.
Scoring for Highland Park Central at 16:57 of the first period. Number 16, Gavin Olson. Assist by number 6, Mustafa Hamadad. And number 41, Leo Kirsch. Olson from Hamadad and Kirsch on the power play at 16:57.